are live from Traders Conclave 2023. We have with us Mrs. Gadodia, who's been there in the market since 2 decades. Let's hear more insights from her directly about her journey. How did she enter into the financial market? Hi, Mrs. Tina, how are you doing?
Hi, Sunita. I'm absolutely fine.
Great to hear that. I hope you're having a great time in the event.
This is awesome event. So, Traders Conclave have always been one of my favorite events. And as I know Ashok a lot, he puts a grand event.
Great.
So, when it comes to a content networking, it's a event which you need to go to.
Good to hear that, actually. So, can you just tell us about your journey? How did you start it?
So I would say I have always been a market person. With over now 2 decades, I would say this has been the only thing which I've been doing right from the day one. Futures and options. So it started off with being a hardcore or research analyst. Then moving on, and today I become the head of development. I head the Quantsapp development team. So that's have been a journey, beautiful journey.
Lovely. Can you just tell us more about your Quant application which you were talking?
So Quantsapp is a platform which is for the traders, by the traders, and absolutely everything about the traders. So it's all about the options trading. So it's an analytical tool. It's India's largest option analytical tool. It's spanning about 90 plus products, beginning as well as advanced traders. So if you are looking for something in the options market, you want to learn something, you want to trade something, you want to look at the analysis. So you'll find everything in this platform, be it IV, be it order and trade, everything is there. So you can do a lot of research.
We can say all in one package in the one application from beginner to advanced, right?
Correct. So it's a quite data intensive thing, and today data is the king. So more you do analysis, more you make money.
That is true, that is true. Since you were telling that you are since in the market in 2 decades, how do you overcome through a stress on an everyday basis? I mean, what motivates you the most?
So frankly, you need to know the markets. The markets up and down cycle will always be there. So just like your life volatility is there, similarly the market also has its volatility. You need to accept it. And once you have your experience over the period of time, you know that nothing is constant. Change is the only thing which is constant. So this market teaches you every single day. Every day is a new day. You come up with a new innovations. Thanks to the exchange, you're coming up with a new product. So you learn a lot, and those learning empowers you to overcome those mistakes. So that's where I look out. The market is a beautiful thing. Learn every day. Every day is a new day to teach you.
Good to know that. Can you just suggest us like a newbie like me, can we take trading as a full-time journey?
So taking trading as a full-time journey should be a serious decision when it comes to it, because it will require you to be emotionally and financially stable. Because if it is your primary source of income, you should have a very strong strategy based on which you are planning to quit your stable income and moving to a trading income. Because in trading, you need to know that it's a cyclical thing. At times you might take home a huge chunk of money, and at times it could be a big loss. So emotionally strong, and you should be very much. So if you are looking for a full-time trader, gather immense knowledge, gather the experience. Don't go with the market herd mentality that everyone is doing trading, let me also jump into it. Let it be your own characteristics. So if you have that mental temperament like, oh, I can be a trader, I have that temperament, then only go it. Be financially stable, because there could be a long gestation period thing. So all these parameters matter a lot when you're thinking of doing full time.
So when we talk about the journey, we always think that education is a must. Do you think networking is also important?
Absolutely, because so there are you enter the market taking the book knowledge, but your practical application is completely different. So every day your colleagues, your friends, your teacher, everyone teaches you something different. So events like this, the networking is the core part of any trader's grooming part. Because when you interact, you come up with, okay, this person has done this mistake, let me not repeat it. Okay, this strategy is working, let me try and incorporate the positive of that strategy. So this networking is a way you can enhance your learning experience, and thereby you can increase your strategy performance. So I truly believe that networking is the pro.
It is truly important that I got to know.
Absolutely.
It was a great, insightful session from you. Thank you for giving your time.
So
you'll be having a great time.
Absolutely. Thanks so much. Thanks for calling.